this is a lodge. So this is how they got it dressed up. This floor is actually real wood. I thought it was the fake vinyl stuff, but it's not. It's real wood. Let's see if this is. Yeah, it's locked. It's a nice little pool. Swimmin Hole, they call it. Anyway, it gives you the real lodge feel. The swimming hole, swimming pool, the wood, the stone all through the casino. It was a really nice casino, really nice hotel. I don't know anything about the rooms, but I'm assuming they were remodeled recently, so they're probably really nice.